Sometimes you think that you are weak because you are in a pain. Sometimes you think that you cannot success because you face many challenge. But let me tell you, this is not a sign of failure. This is also not a sign of you cannot get success. But let me tell you, what is the sign of it? It is sign that you are more stronger than you think. Once more again, you are more stronger than you think. So today I would like to talk about this amazing topic. So first of all, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Surya, motivational speaker, Lawofattraction coach, and Hooponopono healer. And my today topic is, I have already mentioned about it. I would like to present two best formula. The first formula is C plus R plus G. Sorry, C plus R equal G. C plus R means I have to understand first. Suppose if challenge comes in your way, challenge comes in your life, challenge comes in your business, challenge comes in your profession or anywhere. So be flexible, be humble, be kind. Don't try to be very tough personality. Don't try to be very irritated personality, because if you irritate, it means you are not ready to change. You are not ready to mold your quality, mold your personality, because sometimes situation will be very tough. But in that tough situation, how do you react? That is most important. So you have to understand, if challenge comes in your way, so always remember that you will have to be resilient, and after then you will be growing, you will get success where you want, whatever success you want. The second important point is A multiply B equal S. What is means of it? A means action, multiply B means beliefs, equal strength. So let me tell you how. Suppose you don't have a belief that I can get success. You don't have a belief that I can achieve my goal. You don't have a belief that I can reach wherever I want to reach. You don't have a belief that you can feel the gap between your dream and your current reality. But let me tell you that when you think like this, so increase the number of your action, increase the amount of your action, because when you increase the action amount, so the level of belief will automatically raised. But people, what the most people do, they don't increase their action. They just think that no, it is not cup of my tea. I can't handle it, because if I go in this situation, I can break myself, I can broken myself, मैं बेकार हो जाऊंगा. So don't think like this. Increase the level of your action, increase the number of your action. When you increase the number of action, definitely increase the level of your beliefs. When you increase your action and belief both, so you will develop one strong strength, and that strength will teach you, will tell you that you are more stronger than you think. Because you can think the way you live in the society. If you're living in the lower society, if you're living in the person who is criticize each other, so you will always think about yourself lower level. So I said, you remember this important point. Whenever you want to get success, whenever you want whatever you want to get, whatever you want to be, whatever you want to have in your life, so you have to follow this two formula. First, C plus R equal G. Second, A multiply B equal S. So these two formula can help you to achieve your entire success, to achieve your entire growth in your life. So this is the topic which I would like to share with you. And if you think this topic is watchable, you watch it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and don't also forget to press the bell icon, so that you can receive my every new video notification, and you can learn first. You can learn first, you can apply first in your life, and you can grow first in your life. This is only my motto. This is only my mission to help you, to grow mentally, physically, financially, in every way. That's why I say, don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you so much, and love you so much.